Okay guys, I'm hyped to be back. This is my first vlog in a while. I just posted different reaction videos and stuff. And I'm going to do some GoPro footage today. You guys never told me down below if you like that. I'm not sure if you do, but I'm guessing you do because, like, why not? It's GoPro footage, you know? But, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys at Little Chute Skate Park. Okay guys, so I need to switch shoes really quick because I'm in my school shoes and I'm going to switch into my park shoes. Bye, Mom. Okay, guys, so we just rolled up on the skate park. Nobody's here yet, but there's a little kid over there trying to get over the fence. It's going to be me, Keenan, Alex, Jackson, which you don't know, Gage, you don't know, and Anthony, I think. And then Carrie, I think we're meeting at Taco Bell later because he can't, like, go to the skate park. So, yeah, oh my gosh, this girl's hopping the fence right there. That's kind of funny. She's so small. But, yeah, safety first, guys. We just rolled up on the skate park, and I think I might be switching to GoPro. But first, I'm going to wait until they get here, and then I'm going to vlog with them. Okay, guys, so they got here, but it's raining, and Alex isn't coming, so I don't know if I'm going to record, but if I do, it'll be right here. Okay guys, my phone's at 1%, it's really dark. I'm sorry, the time went fast, like 10 minutes after that clip it got dark, and I can't record when it's dark, and my camera isn't the best in low light, but it's a little bit better. But I'm gonna have to do something else for the vlog. Maybe I'll carry it on to tomorrow to do something, but I guess I'll see you guys at home, and yeah, sorry guys. Okay guys, so it's the morning of the last day. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, after school I think I'm gonna be going to Little Chute Skate Park, get some clips for this vlog, and then I'm gonna end it off, and tomorrow's vlog, I think we might be going to Menasha, so yeah, I'll see you guys right after school. Okay guys, so we're going, I just got out of school, and I'm about to go over to Tallulah Skate Park to see how they're doing, because it's been almost a week, and like, they're not going to be that far, but I just want to see how far they are, if they didn't even start yet or something like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Tallulah. Okay guys, so we just got to Tallulah, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what you see in all my videos, but looks like they're going to be expanding over there more, and back around the bowl over there, where there's a bowl up there, and then back here, and then more space on top, which is great, because like you can do more tricks out without getting like off of your scooter, like hitting stuff, so that's cool. And I think I'm going to be going home and doing some like scooter tricks, and then tomorrow we might be going to Sky Zone or a different skate park, so yeah, I'm going to be at home after this. Okay guys, so it's just starting to rain. I'm gonna go on a trampoline before it really pours, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm on the trampoline. get to this, guys. One. I'm sorry. We're back. Whip. Upper whip. Bar. Upper bar. So slippery, guys. And hit it. Okay guys, so I just got off the trampoline. It's really wet outside, it's pouring, and so I'm going to be going to Sky Zone tomorrow, I think, and then yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Keep smiling, have a great day, peace.